Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for physical science and the chapter that I will continue today is the static and dynamic of fluid, liquid and gas. This video is part 3. In the previous video I discussed about the application of the pressure. Today I will talk about the pressure in fluids. So, the fluid means any substance which has no fixed shape and can flow is called fluid. In the previous, we learned that we have an idea that the fluid is only can be liquid, but here I can tell you the fluid also can be the gases, because the gases can also flow. So all liquids and gases, all liquid and gases are fluid. Okay. So here we will discuss about something according some pressure that is exerted on the fluid, what happened. Okay, so we have seen that the solid exerted pressure on another surface on account to its weight. Similarly, a fluid has weight and hence it exerts pressure on the walls of the container which is kept it enclosed. Like I'm showing one picture or I'm drawing one thing that you can see it is a tube. Okay, and here I'm attaching one shape. So a plain piece of thin and good quality rubber sheet may be tied tightly at one on the long glass tube. While holding the glass, the tube at the middle and upright condition, some water may be poured into the tube. And what the condition happens? That it could be seen that the rubber sheet would bulge out, indicating that the water exerts the pressure. You can see it will be bulged out. Okay, because this rubber band exerting the pressure. Okay, and the water is also exerting the pressure. While walking down on streets, you must have come across that the situations where fountains of water are seen to come out of a leaking joint or holes in municipal water pipes supplying water to the city. This happens due to the pressure exerted by the water on the wall of the pipes. And when you inflate a balloon also, you can also have tightly close the mouth, the upper area, right? Otherwise, immediately if the balloon can deflate and it can be leaking out the air. The balloon having holes on their surface can not be inflated. This proves that the air, or for the matter gases, too exerted pressure on the walls of their container. So here, however, unlike the solid, a fluid exerts pressure on all directions. This may be demonstrated using an empty plastic bottle. Okay, so here I'm drawing one empty plastic bottle. And now I am making some holes on it. Okay, some holes on it. So if you can see that if the bottle is full with the water, then if the several holes are made around it, the water would be coming out from the holes. The water would be coming out from the holes. If fingers are placed on these holes, you can feel that the force of water acting on your fingers. Same thing occur at the various points of the surface. If we touch 3 fingers by our 3 surface, by 3 surface of this balloon, we can feel that the same force of water, same pressure of the water is coming. So that proves that the water contained in the bottle exert force or thrust below its free surface and all points of the surface of the bottle, because the pressure is same in all points of this bottle. The force per unit area at any point gives the pressure of water at that point. Okay, so here it is called the lateral pressure. So the pressure which a fluid exerts on the sides of the containing vessel below its free surface is called the lateral pressure. It is called the lateral pressure. So, the pressure which a fluid exerts on the side of the containing vessel below its free surface, it is called the lateral pressure. And the pressure at the base of the surface or base of the vessel, you can say, is called pressure. So here in this, for this bottle, the water that giving the pressure in this base, in this lower side of the vessel is called the normal pressure, and the pressure that is giving in this lateral side, the walls of this bottle, it is called the lateral pressure. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss about the atmospheric pressure. Till then, thank you.